AstroAI Multimeter Tester, your essential electrical companion. Unlock the power of precision with the AstroAI Multimeter Tester. With its TRMS for 1000 counts capability, it accurately measures AC/DC voltage up to 600 volt, current up to 10 ampere, and resistance up to 40 megaohm. Perfect for both professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts, it offers versatility for continuity, diode, and battery tests, including 1.5 volt, 9 volt, and 12 volt modes. Ensure safety with non-contact voltage testing, backed by sound and light alarms. The NCV function detects AC voltage without test leads. Enjoy convenient features like data hold, max, auto shutoff, and low battery indicator, all housed in a durable silicone cover protecting against electric shocks. Experience reliability with the AstroAI Multimeter's anti-burn dual fuse protection and compliance with overvoltage category 3, 600 volt safety standards. It's your go-to tool for troubleshooting automotive and household electrical problems with ease, saving time and ensuring accurate diagnostics. Designed for adventurers and professionals alike, AstroAI products are developed based on real-life needs and expectations, with live wire detection, non-contact voltage detection, and continuity testing. This multimeter ensures safety and efficiency in all electrical endeavors.